Welcome. In this video I will show you how to fix a frozen or unresponsive GoPro Mission 1 camera. So if your camera is frozen, you can try to simply reset it by holding down the mode button for 10 seconds. Release the power button and wait for your camera to relaunch and check if this resolves the issue. You can also remove the battery from your camera. Simply open the door on the right side of the camera and pull the belt of the battery. Don't worry, you will not damage it. If you can feel that your battery is really hot, you can let it cool down separately from your camera for I don't know, like 15 minutes. Then just place your battery back into the camera and this should help you resolve your issue. After relaunching the camera, also make sure that you have the latest firmware installed. You can check for the firmware updates in a way that we show in our video on how to update firmware on this camera. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helps you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.